Welcome everybody to this instructional video of how to put together the Heineken Silver reception table. Over here you'll see that we have the assembly kit and the assembly steps. This is what you will find inside the kit. Moving on, let's jump right into it. So the first step would be to place the base onto the floor. Take the poles, one of the 8 poles, insert each one into its respective place onto the base. Moving on to the next part, which will be the middle shelf base. So you'll take that and insert that onto the poles. Make sure that the poles are tight. Now you take the remaining 4 poles and you place them into their respective parts into the middle base. Make sure that they are all tight. And then moving on to the top base, which you'll take and place onto the poles. Make sure that they are nice and tight. And now moving on to the cloth, the fabric sock. Starting from the bottom, make sure you start from the bottom because it will be easier for you once you start inserting into the little ridges. So you start from the bottom, and if you look closely, you will notice a slit in the middle of the table. You'll also notice on the fabric that there's also a slit. Align those two and you'll insert the fabric into the ridges of the table. You start from the middle and you work your way around the whole table, and then you'll flip the table and you'll do the exact same thing from the top. And there you go, you have your reception table.